The clock is ticking for former President Trump to respond to the special prosecutor's request to impose a protective order against him.
The request was made after Trump posted on social media, quote, "If you go after me, I'm coming for you."
And now the special prosecutor wants the judge to order Trump not to post or say anything about the case. Our D.C. Bureau Chief Ben Kennedy is live at the White House following it all. Ben.
Well, Nicole, Louis, former President Trump's response just came down minutes ago. It is 29 pages. Here is a copy. In it, his team argues that the proposed order is overbroad, saying a protective order would impinge upon former President Trump's right to free speech, as we now wait for a judge to respond. Former President Donald Trump faced a 5 p.m. deadline Monday for him and his legal team to respond to the Department of Justice's request for a protective order to limit what the former commander-in-chief can say or do about the evidence shared with them in the election interference case. The special counsel states if the defendant were to begin issuing public posts using details, for example, grand jury transcripts obtained in discovery, it could have a harmful chilling effect. It's in response to a social media post by Trump, who wrote, "If you go after me, I'm coming after you." But his attorneys say the message was directed at political rivals, not officers of the court.
Every time they file an indictment.
It comes less than a week after pleading not guilty to 4 felony counts for allegedly trying to overturn the 2020 election. Trump was released under conditions to not violate federal or state laws, must appear in court as required, sign an appearance bond, and have no contact about the facts of the case with witnesses, except through counsel. As a potential witness could be former Vice President Mike Pence.
I have no plans to testify, but look, we'll always comply with the law. But look, I want to tell you, I don't know what the path of this indictment will be.
And in the meantime, in an unrelated story, the main street right in front of the Fulton County Courthouse in Georgia has been closed off. Now, this is in preparation for a possible 4th indictment against Trump for his efforts to overturn the election there. Reporting live at the White House, Ben Kennedy, Local 10 News.